Welcome to the Web Archives Tips for Searching tutorial series. In North Carolina, the internet and social media have become the preferred method for state government agencies to share information, provide services, and transact businesses with citizens. And much of the content produced only exists in electronic format. Archiving and preserving this changing online landscape is done in partnership between the State Archives and State Library, sister agencies in the North Carolina Department of Natural and Cultural Resources. The specific act of web archiving is the process of capturing unique digital information only available on the World Wide Web. It displays the whole context and content of a website. Meanwhile, social media archiving focuses specifically on collecting portions of information created through social media websites and applications such as Facebook and Twitter. This process gathers the content of a post. Started in 2005, the North Carolina State Government Website Archive and Access Program captures website and online digital content created by North Carolina state government agencies. It is grabbed via the service Archive It. In 2012, a dedicated social media archive was added to the program to accommodate the growing social media presence of state agencies. This content is captured via Archive Social. Interested in seeing a website as it looked in 2009? Then check out the Archive It Web Archive. It is this archive that displays state agency website content dating back to 1996 as it appeared at the time of capture. Archive content includes state agency websites, board and commission meeting minutes, publications only available on the web, governmental policies, historically significant photographs and videos, statewide statistics, social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter, and agency blogs. More interested in the number of posts or comments from a social media website? Then turn to Archive Social. This archive continuously captures posts, private messages, and direct messages made and received by state agency accounts in Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. This archive supplements but does not replace the social media posts found in a program's website archive. Consequently, there is overlap between the two. To receive the best results, you should search both archives. The content collected by these two archives is available via the Web Archive and Access Program web pages, found at webarchives.ncdcr.gov. To begin searching, go to the search bars, type in a website address, username, or search term, and click Search. The top bar will search the content from Archive It, and the bottom bar will pull content captured by Archive Social. Thank you for watching this introductory segment in the Web Archives Tips for Searching tutorial series. We hope you enjoy searching North Carolina's rich collection of digital and web-based content. For more tips on how to search the Web Archives, continue with the other videos in this series. But please feel free to contact us if you still have trouble accessing the Web Archive or have any other questions.